And good day. This is the 4-step cure number 15. Couponing. Yes, couponing. Clip and save. Do you know that there's ways that you can get the essential needs of everyday living for free? It's possible. Just take the time to plan. You're not too good for it, trust me. This is a way of saving. You can go to different off-brand stores like Aldi's and Save a Lot. Now, I know everything is not meant to be bought at some of those places. However, fruits and vegetables, you don't have to go to the main grocery stores to get that stuff. Quit feeling prideful, like, oh, walking into a Save-A-Lot, I won't do that. You know, even Walmart has some really good, decent prices for things. You have to be willing to make these changes in your life. And if I gotta clip a couple coupons out of a couple books to get some free soap, some free deodorant, some free food, then I'm going to take the time to do that. And that was my pushing point for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.